Hi everyone, this is Nikki from the Happily Lost channel. It's been some time since I've posted, a very long time. Things went to shit, basically, when I moved down south, and I really didn't have time to do anything in the way of videos, in the way of vehicle maintenance, or anything that I was actually doing at the time. Needless to say, I've actually moved away from where I was, and I'm back in Perth for a short time. And I've been thinking about what to do with this channel, and I still haven't come to a complete conclusion. Things have changed for me. I've started looking after my friend's little 2-year-old. I've become a nanny to my godson. 3 days a week I'm actually full-time. I'm looking after him, and 2 other days he's at daycare. The rest of the week it's sort of like he bounced between the three of us, his mum and dad and me. What I'm currently thinking, and post your opinion on whether you want me to actually go back to vehicle maintenance or not, and I'll see if I can fit it in. But a lot of my time is looking after the little one. There are some medical stuff that I've done, that I need to do I should say, but yeah, I don't have a lot of time. So what I was thinking of doing is actually starting a vlog of my experiences of being a nanny, particularly from the perspective that I've never looked after anyone before in the way of a little one and helped raise them. So this is a new one in my 50-odd years I've never had that experience. So that's what I'm thinking about doing with this channel, but it will also still include some motorcycle stuff and travel, which I do still intend to do. But yeah, I still intend to do vehicles maintenance stuff. I still intend to do some travel, but yeah, the focus will be more on being a nanny. And post your opinion down below, and yeah, I'd be interested to see what you say about it, considering it'd be such a huge shift from what this channel was to what it's going to be if I change it that way. Or alternatively, I will just start up another channel just purely for being a nanny. There's going to be a change middle of next year, roughly late to late next year, as part of being a nanny. It looks like I will be travelling to Botswana for a year and a half, something like that, and then after that I don't know where we'll be going, but I'll be continuing on with my being a nanny and pursuing all my other endeavours, like the photography business and my musician business. When we go to Botswana, it's not just going to be going there and just staying in one place. We'll be also travelling, and there'll be times when it would be me just sort of getting out and about. I don't know whether it be in a car or a bike at the moment. That's something that hasn't been decided, or what. Just depends on finances really. But there will be some travel as well. I'll be working on a documentary as well, which the documentary is going to be about someone's experiences of doing her PhD. She's doing a PhD on maternal health and quality of roads in Botswana. I think at the moment I am going to just change the focus of this channel to be vlogs, and it's going to be my experiences of being a nanny and helping bring out this little one. As I said, it will be still peppered with some vehicle maintenance. I still intend to do some stuff and record it. We'll see how we go with that. Like I said, I don't have a lot of time, and sometimes it's going to be easier just to get it sent to the mechanic to do it themselves. Yeah, so I actually still want to keep this channel going. I still want to get it thriving. But yeah, it's just been a bit more difficult over the last few years because of family situations and a whole lot of other situations. But things have changed, and we'll see how we go. Anyway, if you'd like to be updated on everything that's going on, just subscribe and follow me on my socials, and I will endeavour to keep everything updated. So anyway, until next time, bye.